Hi students, my sincere and best wishes to all of you for coming 10th class examinations. Now I am going to explain you an important term, foreign policy. That foreign policy related to India from 18th chapter, Independent India. And what is the meaning of foreign policy? Before discussing about foreign policy, I will tell you about after independence, what happened to the world. After independence of India, Cold War just began and the world divided into two groups under two countries, USA, USSR. The countries which are interested in democracy, capitalism, they made group with USA. The countries which are practicing communism and socialism, they made group with USSR. Between these two groups, tension of war started, what we call Cold War. Our first Prime Minister, Jawaharlal Nehru, he did not join with the USA group or USSR group, and he maintained equal distance and positive relations with the USA and USSR. This type of independent policy of our country is called non-alignment policy. And non-alignment policy is the central piece of Indian foreign policy. Jawaharlal Nehru is the chief architect of non-alignment policy. Jawaharlal Nehru was the tone and tenor of Indian foreign policy. Now I will explain the meaning of and definition of foreign policy. It is a bunch of deliberately chosen guidelines for the protection and promotion of national interest, maximum possible extent at international level is called foreign policy. While we design foreign policy, we have to consider our geographical conditions, our scientific and technological requirements, economic requirements, as well as history of the country. Thank you. If you like this video, share and subscribe.